Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores and we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. Here we go, we got another bag here, and this bag has Pooh in it. Well, it's Winnie the Pooh right there, so it does have Pooh in the bag. It's a bag of Pooh. Pooh Bear, that's right. It was $1.94, $1.94, and inside is Pooh, and if I was, oh, it is, good. Oh, no! I thought it was a puppet. It's actually a Pooh blanket. Oh, I wanted a puppet. I wanted a Pooh puppet, and I got a Pooh blanket. That's not right. It's a Pooh blanket, and I wanted a Pooh puppet. I guess if I did it right, I might be able to tuck my hand in there, or sew that shut there. Maybe that would work. If I sewed the shut, then it would sewed it shut, then maybe I could use it as a puppet, just like that, you know, and then use it as a puppet. But that's a Pooh blanket, so we're gonna do that. That's disappointing. I really wanted a Pooh puppet. I spent $2 on this, thinking I was getting a Pooh puppet, and it was just a Pooh blanket. Darn it. Well, in there I also have this right here. It is a penguin. Langer is the name that, oh, Matt Langer. Sorry, Matt, I have your penguin. It was donated, so I'm sure mom or dad or somebody donated it. I have a doll dress here that might appear on a future puppet. It has a Velcro closing deal there, and that will probably end up on some sort of a puppet at some sort of puppet at some time. In the trend of the penguin here, we have a little seal. Is he a seal of approval? I don't think you like that one. Let's see. Here is Hush Puppy's dog. And I'm wondering if this is from the Hush Puppies shoe company. It might be. Here is, I believe it's Baloo, but I could be wrong. Let's see. It's a promotional deal. Oh, no, it's from the Country Bears. From the Country Bears. It was manufactured for McDonald's. One of the largest toy suppliers in the world, McDonald's. Yep. That's about what they're good for. No, I'm sorry. I don't eat a McDonald's, but that's okay. So there is the Country Bear Jamboree bear, and it's riding the seal. We also have another McDonald's toy. This one, I have no idea what it is. It looks like a really sad little bear. I have a Thai Beanie Baby. This is not labeled, or is it labeled? Is this a... It's a 1993. It is a little turtle. A turtle. And then to finish it up, we have another penguin. This is a beanbag style penguin, and it goes right there. Again, we paid $2 for a Pooh blanket. Not a Pooh puppet, a Pooh blanket. But we got two penguins. We have a turtle or tortoise. We have a little weird brown bear. We have a Hush Puppy dog. We have one of the bears from the Country Bears. We have a little seal. And we have a fancy dress for a doll. And, of course, the Pooh blanket. Not a Pooh puppet, the Pooh blanket. But maybe at a later date, we will come up with a way to make it a Pooh puppet. So there it is. Thank you, guys and gals, for coming along. For those of you who have been here before, thanks for coming back. For those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe and you'll get all the updates. And this is the DIY Magician Until next time, this is, remember, it's the grab bag special. See you next time. Bye-bye.